Hi everybody, Jay here from jsplainsfood.com with Get Him to the Greek Grilled Chicken Thighs. That's right, these Greek-style grilled chicken thighs are sure to satisfy a craving for great grilled chicken. For this recipe, we're going to use bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Why bone-in and skin-on, you ask? Let me explain. Bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs are going to have much more flavor and a nice crispy skin. And everyone knows crispy chicken skin is one of the best things you'll ever eat. So first, we're going to make the marinade. We start with fresh lemon juice, salt, fresh ground pepper, freshly grated garlic or garlic powder, dried or fresh oregano, olive oil. Mix those all together, pour them over the chicken, which we've placed in a zip-top bag like so, and put those in the chill chest for at least 4 hours. Now, when we're ready to cook, we're going to strongly advise that you use a charcoal grill like this one. Why charcoal, you ask? Let me explain. Charcoal makes food taste much better due to the Maillard reaction, which is the changing of sugars and proteins in food under heat conditions that release many new flavors and aromas and all kinds of wonderful brown and crispy bits. The smoke from charcoal also adds a great flavor that you can't get from any other cooking medium, and it's also pretty fun to hang out by the grill, right? So, in your grill, you're going to set up a 2-zone cooking area like this. Why 2 zones, you ask? Let me explain. 2-zone grilling allows for a hot area where all your coals are for searing, and an area for indirect cooking, which is how you properly cook your food without burning it on the outside while leaving it raw on the inside, because no one likes raw chicken. So when your grill is all set up, you're going to remove the chicken thighs from the marinade and place them onto the hot side of the grill, skin side down. Let the skin get all crispy, and then it'll release itself from the grill. If you try to pull it before that, it's going to stick. So you got to just leave it and wait. Then you're going to turn it over and sear the other side. And the amount of time this will take is depending on how hot your grill is and how close the coals are to your grill grates, etc. So make sure you keep a close eye on it. Now after you've successfully seared both sides, you're going to rotate your grill around like this, or move the food over to the cooler side, put the cover on the grill with the vent holes over the food and leave them open. This will allow the heat and smoke to flow from the hot side and around the food and out the vents, cooking and flavoring it. So for chicken thighs, you'll need to tell when they're done by temperature. You can use a quick read thermometer like this one here, and you're looking for a temperature of about 155 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to insert the probe close to the bone but not touching it, because you get a false reading that way. So once you've seen that the temp is at about 155, you can pull them from the grill and onto a plate or sheet tray and then lightly tent them with foil for about 10 minutes, which will allow them to come up to the temperature of about 165, which is where you really want them to be. And then that'll also allow the juices to all redistribute to themselves throughout the meat. Now all you need to do is eat them up. This smoky, juicy, herbaceous, lemony, crispy skin chicken is just the best. I know you're going to love it, so head on over to jsplainsfood.com for the full recipe and ingredient amounts. Come back next week and I'll explain another one to you.